Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all my students with a happy start. Me Nazia, your maths teacher. Today our topic is before, between, after. Here are three animals in a picture. Lion, monkey, rabbit. See, the lion is before the monkey. Monkey से पहले कौन है? Lion, है ना? Monkey के आगे कौन है? Lion. Monkey से आगे जो है वो कौन है? Lion है. So we'll say lion is before the monkey. Before means in front. So lion is in front of monkey. So monkey के आगे कौन है? Lion है. So we'll say the lion is before the monkey. Now look at the rabbit. Rabbit monkey के बाद है ना? पहले monkey है फिर rabbit है. So we'll say rabbit is after monkey. यहाँ पे भी है ना? So rabbit is after monkey. फिर से देखिए rabbit के आगे कौन है? Monkey. So we can say monkey is before rabbit. है ना? Rabbit के आगे monkey है. So monkey is before rabbit. And lion is before monkey. Similarly, we can say monkey is after lion. Monkey क्या है? Lion के बाद में है. पहले lion है फिर monkey है. तो हम बोल सकते हैं monkey is after lion. So now between. See, lion और rabbit के बीच में कौन है? Monkey है. So we can say monkey is between lion and the rabbit. Between means बीच में, जो बीच में होगा. So monkey is between lion and rabbit. Monkey किसके बीच में है? Lion और rabbit के बीच में है. Now look here towards the numbers 14 and 15. See, 15 से पहले क्या आता है? 14 आता है. So 14 is before 15. Similarly 15 and 16. तो 16 क्या है? After 15. क्यों? क्योंकि 15 के बाद 16 आता है. So 15 is before 16 and 16 is after 15. Now here 14 and 16. और इनके बीच में कौन है? 15. So we'll say 15 is between 14 and 16.
After and between numbers. So let's get started. Now let's learn before concept. Here we have two numbers 1 and 2. And can you find which one is before 2? The number which comes first is called the before. So here 1 is before 2. Now I'll be showing you a number and you have to find the before number. Now let's start the guessing game. Here we have number 3. Can you find the before number? So what number comes before 3? Yes, it's 2 that comes before 3. Here we have number 6. So can you guess what number comes before 6? Yes, it's 5 that comes before 6. Here we have number 15. So can you find what number comes before 15? Yes, it's 14 that comes before 15. We have number 33. Can you find which number is before 33? Yes, it's 32 that comes before 33. Now, let's learn the after concept. We have two numbers, 3, 4. So can you find which number is after 3? After number is the one that comes next. So here 4 is after 3. Now here I'll be sharing you a number and you have to find which number comes after. So let's start the guessing game. Here we have number 5. Can you find which number comes after 5? Yes, it's 6 that comes after 5. Here we have number 7. Can you find what number comes after 7? Yes, it's number 8. So 8 comes after 7. Here we have number 15. Now find which number comes after 15. Yes, 16. Let's learn between concept. Here we have three numbers, 4, 5 and 6. And you have to find which number is between 4 and 6. Between numbers are the one that come in the middle of two numbers. So here 5 number is between 4 and 6. Now here I'll be giving you two numbers and you have to find which numbers comes in between. Now let's start the guessing game. Here we have two numbers, 2 and 4, and you have to find which numbers comes in between 2 and 4. Yes, it's number 3 that is between 2 and 4. Here we have two numbers, 7 and 9, and you have to find which numbers comes in between 7 and 9. Yes, it's number 8 that comes in between 7 and 9. Here we have two numbers, 18 and 20. Now you have to find which number comes in between 18 and 20. Yes, it's number 19 that comes between 18 and 20.
This is all for today. Allah Hafiz.